Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Xbox is up to date and on the same network as your phone or router so streaming stays stable. Next, launch Microsoft Edge and navigate to music. YouTube. Sign into your Google account when prompted so your library and playlists appear. Once signed in, make sure Xbox audio output is set to the device you want, because choosing TV versus headset changes latency and volume behavior. Now control playback with your controller. A to play, X to pause, bumpers to skip. Practice a few commands so they feel natural. In the web player, open settings to select streaming quality and enable options that affect background playback. Note that full background play may require YouTube Music Premium. To make future access faster, pin the Edge tab or add the page to Home so you can resume music without repeating these steps. Finish by saving playlists and creating a home shortcut so you can start music instantly next time. This keeps your favorite mixes one click away. When you're done, sign out or switch profiles to avoid unexpected playback on shared consoles. If you don't hear audio, first check HDMI or optical connections and verify Xbox audio output settings, then restart the console. If problems continue, clear Edge cache or reinstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.